Alright, so tonight we're going to humble Jaffles. Now, some would say, but I haven't got a campfire going. How are you going to cook Jaffles? Well, you can use a campfire, but I find doing them on the gas stove, it gives you a little bit more control. Put that there. Jaffle Iron's already been seasoned. Right, so we'll get some bread out. Oh, it's so easy. One thing better about using the cooktop, you've got a bit more control over the heat. A lot of times you throw Jaffle Iron in the coals and you burn bread. So it's got a bit of olive oil butter here. Try and keep it a little bit healthy to keep the doctor happy. Butter your bread. So again, you can do all sorts of things in your Jaffles. Spaghetti, baked beans, any of your tin mucks, your Campbell's stews, beef stew, anything. We're going to do bacon and eggs in there for brekkie, but for tonight we're doing ham, cheese and tomato sandwiches. Unfortunately, I've left the key ingredient at home, which is red onion. You cannot do toasted sandwiches without red onion, especially toasted ham and cheese and tomato. So that there, put that ham out. Normally with the sliced ham I'll double it up just to get a bit of that ham flavour and ham goodness in there. I left the cheese at home too. Oh, that's a fail. That's a fail. I can't believe I did that. No melted cheese. No cheese, Roxy. Devastated. Because I'm having ham, love the hot English mustard, so I'm going to put a bit on. Fair bit on. Paint that thing yellow. Really not having any luck with this fire. Got dry red gum from home, but it's just not. It just doesn't want to play the game. That one. Tomato. How can you forget the ham? The ham, the best part of it. Feed that to the ducks. Forget the ham. I forgot the cheese. Got the bloody onion. Might as well just cook steak and no, not steak. Oh, cook sausage. Cook sausage and forget the bread. That's what I've done. We're having sausages without bread. So there. I think this is our condiment one. Nope. This is our condiment one. Yep. Sounds like a bike. Gotta have pepper. Lots and lots of pepper. So on the bike I've got the little Sunvic pantry Here I've got a little bit bigger one, all spices going, pepper, salt, curry powder, chili powder, all the good stuff. Alright, so for our toppings on, again minus the good stuff. That's that done, and we'll get it on. Move that out of the way before it catches on fire. So I like being on the fire 3 to 4 minutes max either side. Go through that side, move it across, flip it the other way, check it, just keep checking, doesn't do any harm. Like most, or some camp cooking you can, but with these, stay here. As soon as you walk away to get some firewood, get a beer out of the fridge, whatever it is, it'll burn, trust me, it'll burn. So give it a few minutes and rotate through and see how we go. Rightio, so that's been our time. Check the sides. Of course, right when I'm cooking, people start to ring, so one side may be a little bit burnt. Oh, ow. The key, Jaffle Iron, most of the Jaffle Irons, I don't think you can buy the ones that are split in the middle, but you need the ones that are full thickness, and don't cut the Jaffle in half because you just can't put any quantity of stuff in it. So I don't have to worry about the cheese because I forgot it. Ham and tomato Jaffles, minus the cheese and minus the onions. So, they're going to be hot, but at least you don't have to worry about molten cheese. You do have to worry about molten tomato, but and molten tomato juice. Love it. Just love it. Lovely.